The scientific question that we're trying to answer in the study is, can ankle exoskeletons cause people to walk faster? Aging and many disabilities reduce self-selected walking speed, and this can be a real problem in trying to get around. We knew from other studies that exoskeletons could affect walking speed, but the changes had been really small. We want to see if we specifically try to increase walking speed using optimization, how much of an increase would be possible. In this first study, just as a proof of concept, we tested younger adults. We had them walk in our laboratory on a special kind of treadmill that detects how quickly they would like to walk. We call this their self-selected walking speed. We then provided them with an exoskeleton that tried to help them walk faster.
We used a method called human-in-the-loop optimization that sequentially applied different ankle assistance patterns and searched for a pattern that maximizes walking speed.
On each step, the motors pull on a rope that causes your toes to push down into the ground. That can help do some of the things that your calf muscles normally do, and in some cases that can make it easier to walk. And what we were looking at here is whether that could cause people to walk faster.
With the resulting ankle exoskeleton assistance, the participants walked on average 42% faster than in normal shoes. This is about 3 times the increase that has been reported before for exoskeletons.
40% is huge. That's more than the difference between younger adults and older adults. So it's possible that devices like this could not only restore but enhance self-selected walking speed for older individuals. And that's something that we're excited to test next. Perhaps surprisingly, optimized assistance also made walking a little bit easier on average, about a 4% reduction in the energy used per unit distance traveled. However, there was a really large range in energy cost changes for our participants. There were lots of different ways that we could cause people to walk faster, some that made walking easier and some that actually seemed to force people into walking faster than they wanted and exerting more effort. So one of the things that we're excited to look into next is how we can optimize both for speed and energy consumption simultaneously, and perhaps some other things like balance and comfort, or maybe even loading that's associated with degeneration of our joints.
I'm very excited about the result as it demonstrates that it is possible, and we know how to substantially enhance self-selected walking speed with exoskeletons, which in the long term could benefit older adults and other people who walk slow.